to the EasyRoughEstimator.com cabinet details. There's a couple choices that you need to make when you're designing your cabinets, your cabinet layout. You have a cabinet type, and there are three basic types of cabinets that you can choose from, and that is medium, which would be an oak, a upper, which is a maple. By the way, these are oak. This is an oak cabinet right here, an example of an oak cabinet. Medium would be a maple, and a premium would be a cherry. And those, again, those are a little more expensive as you go up in type, and that would be your preference accordingly. There's also a style of cabinet that you would choose as well. The style is, again, a medium style, which is a flat panel, or a raised panel, which is an upper style, which is what this is. This is an oak raised panel, or a premium style, which is a little more of an elaborate design on a cabinet. And you would just make your entries accordingly, according to your preference on what kind of cabinets you would like to go in your kitchen. Now, all cabinets are measured the same. So what I'm going to do is kind of run through this and give you an example of how to measure. Let's just pretend that these cabinets are not here. We've already taken these cabinets out, and we are going to put new cabinets in. And so this is what we want to do. We want to get a linear footage of base cabinets. So I'm going to measure all the way into this corner, and that's 11 feet into that corner. Now, one of the things we want to recognize is we have a dishwasher in our linear footage. We don't have any cabinets going in that spot, so we can deduct that. All dishwashers are roughly 2 feet, and that's what this one is. So we can deduct 2 feet from our linear footage measurement, which goes into the corner, which would give us 9 feet on our linear footage measurement. The standard width, or depth, whatever you want to call it, is 2 feet. Okay? We don't need that measurement, but we just want to make sure that's the depth that we have. The linear footage is what we want, so we've got 9 feet. If I'm going to measure, let's say I'm going to also do this back run of cabinets here. What I'm going to do is, now, since we've measured back into this corner and accounted for the cabinets that would go back into there, I'm going to start right here at this edge, and we're just going to count this as a foot of cabinets. We're going to not count where the range is because there's no base cabinets going there. And then we are going to measure right across here back into the corner and get our linear footage there as well. And that is going to be right on the edge there, 7 feet. So we have 7 plus 1, that's 8, plus we have 9 across here. That is going to give us 17 feet of linear cabinets, base linear footage of cabinets. That would be our entry for installing those cabinets. Now, if we're going to do wall cabinets, you do those the same way, linear footage. And again, the depth of a wall cabinet is 12 inches. Where the base cabinets are 24, the depth of the walls are 12. What we need is the linear footage measurement, and there's 4 feet on this cabinet run. And then we would take this into the corner, and this is another 4 feet here. And again, when we go across the back wall, we've already accounted for the cabinets that are back in this corner. So we will start on the outside edge of this cabinet and go all the way across. We'll measure back here. And that's 11 feet. So we've got an 11-foot run across here. We add another 4 here, which is 15. And then we add another 4 here, which is 19. So our wall cabinet linear footage entry would be 19. And that's as simple as it gets when you want to go ahead and enter your cabinet details.